Welcome to the AI Universe channel. Are you ready to witness the future? The year 2023 brings with it some of the most advanced and life-changing AI technology yet. Here are the top 7 AIs that will revolutionize the way we live and work. GPT-3. The most advanced language generation model to date, GPT-3 can understand and respond to human language like never before, making it a powerful tool for communication and language translation. AlphaFold, a protein folding prediction AI that can predict the 3D structure of proteins from their genetic code. This will revolutionize drug discovery and disease treatment. OpenAI's DALL-E, a powerful image generation model, DALL-E can create highly detailed and realistic images from text descriptions, making it a game-changer in fields such as advertising and architecture. DeepMind's AlphaStar, an AI that can play the game of StarCraft II at a professional level. It will revolutionize the field of gaming and have a significant impact on the development of autonomous vehicles. NVIDIA's Jarvis, a conversational AI that can understand natural language, Jarvis can perform tasks such as scheduling and responding to customer service inquiries, making it a valuable tool for businesses. Google's DeepMind Health, a medical AI that can analyze medical records, medical imaging, and other data, and make diagnoses and treatment recommendations with great accuracy. OpenAI's Roboschool, a platform that allows developers to train robots in virtual environments. Roboschool will significantly accelerate the development of robots that can work in real-world environments. These are just a few of the many AIs that will shape our future in 2023. From healthcare to gaming, these technologies will change the way we live and work in ways we can't even imagine. Stay tuned for more updates as the year progresses.